Benvenuti nella mia cucina. Welcome, my friends. Today we're making my eggplant ricotta bake. It is a rustic layered dish inspired by tradition and given my own touch. We will need firm eggplants, as well as mozzarella, fresh ricotta, pecorino cheese. Slice the eggplants, and we will need to grill them. And also we will need to make our tomato sauce. A drizzle of olive oil right into the ricotta, a couple of pinches of salt, and a touch of black pepper. A little oregano for that warm, familiar flavor. And we mix it all together until it's creamy and smooth. My tomato sauce recipe is coming in a separate video. The workstation, grilled eggplant, salt, pecorino cheese, seasoned ricotta, basil, and sliced mozzarella. We start with a ladle of tomato sauce in the bottom of our baking dish. A couple more scoops, just enough to coat the base, and make sure to spread out the sauce. Now we lay down our first layer of grilled eggplant. Each slice soft, smoky, and ready to soak up all that beautiful sauce. A tiny pinch of salt to bring out that flavor. A spoonful of sauce over each slice, letting it gently coat the eggplant and bring everything together. Now we dust each slice with pecorino, just enough to give it that beautiful salty bite that melts right into the sauce. Now we add a spoonful of seasoned ricotta on each slice, giving each layer its beautiful creaminess. I notice a little space in the middle, so I'm adding another row of eggplant, as well as tomato sauce, pecorino, and creamy ricotta. Our next step is we lay down another layer of grilled eggplant, those beautiful smoky slices resting over the ricotta and setting the stage for the next round of my homemade tomato sauce. Oh yes, it's time for more of that seasoned ricotta. Smooth, rich, and perfect for building another layer of that comfort in this dish. A little more pecorino on top, just enough to give this layer that beautiful savory bite we love. A few fresh basil leaves for brightness. And now for the best part. Fresh sliced mozzarella, letting each piece rest on top of the basil and the ricotta, ready to melt into a golden, rich, creamy layer. And if I had more, I would have added more. And why not? One last snowfall of pecorino. Look at that. It is ready to go into a preheated oven at 375 Fahrenheit or 200 Celsius for 30 to 35 minutes, or just until the mozzarella turns golden and bubbly like you see it now. A little fresh basil on top to finish it off. As I cut into it, I wish you could smell this aroma. The roasted eggplant, the basil, the creamy ricotta all melting together. And honestly, I wish I could pass you a piece through the screen because it is the kind of dish you just have to taste to understand. So, if you want a piece, you gotta make it yourself and then let me know how it turned out. See you in my next recipe. And if you haven't yet, subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next.